My name's Stuart Christie and I'm a Director of Rural Skills Scotland. We're a training organisation in the main, and we deliver modern apprenticeships throughout Scotland and SVQs to a multitude of different organisations, both public and private sector, and we also deliver employability programmes here within Fife at the moment. In the main, it tends to be, certainly our apprenticeship programmes are around about estate maintenance, estate management, environmental conservation and forestry. So they tend to be the sort of main areas that we focus on. We have 11 people, I think it is, on staff at the moment. The numbers of trainees that we work with tends to vary through time. So I suppose in total we've probably got at the moment something like 25 that we're working with, and that includes apprentices around about the country and also the trainees that we're working with through our employability programmes. So the programme that we're delivering just now, we're working closely with a number of agencies, including the DWP and other referral partners. So the participants all are unemployed or underemployed and looking for an opportunity to get into the land-based sector. We've had a number of experiences of people coming into the programme who have been desperate to get an opportunity to get into the sector, but have just never been able to find that foothold, if you like. And this has been the first opportunity that they've seen to directly get hands-on, if you like. It provides them with that initial experience, and we then look to move them on to employment as a result of that. Our whole ethos as a training organisation is to develop people, to provide employment for people. Some of my other previous experience, one of the best ways out of poverty, for example, is through a job. So a lot of the people that we work with come from areas of multiple deprivation. So things such as that, we've seen significant improvements in people's mental health, their physical health and such like. So yeah, it's extremely rewarding, I would say. So I think the provision of training for individuals has, as I mentioned already, obvious benefits in terms of physical and mental health and well-being and their own personal development. But the sector as a whole is struggling, as most sectors are, in terms of age profiles, in terms of trying to attract new entrants to the sector. And in some ways, the work we're doing in Fife's not traditionally seen as overly rural, although it has a rural sector. But there's land-based employers throughout Fife, and obviously that's the programme we're focusing on at the moment. So I think from the individual's perspective there's a benefit. I think from the sector's perspective there's a benefit, because we are encouraging people who often have never considered a job in the land-based sector before, that this might be a career opportunity, and there are job opportunities out there.